update. On a closed road, guys, closed road!
I'm just really glad that I'm getting to fix it soon, and I hope that she makes it until like the next 2 days, because that's all I need, But what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I think today I'm just going to hang out with my buddy. We're just probably gonna hit up a skate park, probably clean out the cars a little bit. Nothing really too crazy going on, it's just more of a vloggy vlog, so hope you guys enjoy. Pretty sure he's in that Home Depot parking lot. Don't judge me, I know I'm wearing these really groovy glasses. Super bright outside, and I didn't have my actual sunglasses, so I'm wearing my lady's cute little glasses, alright? So don't judge me, guys. Here is homeboy's car right here. Let me focus on parking and not hit his car. Alright, let's go find this kid. Pretty sure he stopped here because he was looking for something for his car, which he went to a couple other stores to find, but he wasn't able to find. So I don't know what it is. I just came to hang out today. Say hi to other Cam. What's up? He's the one that actually went with me to get my car when I got it in the first place. And he has been building this Nissan Sentra. I forgot what year it is. Is it a 07? 06. He's been building this 06 Sentra, and honestly, it looks really, really good. It started off in this beige color. He painted it white. I think right now we're going to drill holes in his bumper, and his fender, for his bumper, so he can put some quick release zip ties in there. So this will be fun. And then after that, we're probably gonna hit up a skate park. So this will be awesome. You're gonna see me absolutely decimate myself on a skateboard. I'm not good at skateboarding at all. I can't even ollie. So this will be great. Okay, so the actual goal for today is Cam is going to try to teach me how to ollie, because I can't do that. Back in the day, when I did do sports and stuff, I did BMX because I just couldn't skateboard. And I got pretty good at it. So I feel like I want to try some stuff like that again, but on a skateboard because it's more challenging. This is an older style of video that I used to make back on my older channel, which I'll leave a link or something, but all right. Ah, hey. All right. You know how to ollie, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. Said you want to give him a little quick release action? Doctor! We're on a closed road, guys, closed road! We were going to a skate park, and he didn't bring anything to skate with. Nothing. Not a skateboard, not a scooter, nothing. I don't know what you're talking about. Upside, though, this looks really, really pretty, so at least you guys get, some cool scenery. Yeah? Anyone ever look at clouds and just wonder why they all look like they're copy and paste? The video's not going the way I thought it was gonna go, and also, the act of me actually trying to learn how to ollie, completely just, fuck that, throw it out the window. I'm just trying to have fun now at a skate park. So, let's see. Literally, god awful. Can't do it. Wow, that almost took me out. Wow, I'm so not athletic, bro. This is awful. I'm struggling here. Same. All right, go, go, go. Damn. Look at him over there. He's gonna do it. Woo! This is not going how I thought it was gonna go at all. You're having fun? What a derp. I'm ashamed of myself right now. I couldn't do it. There's like one thing only on a board that I can do. I guess it counts as like a pop shove it or something, maybe? So like you pretty much just like lift it up. You lift up and flip forward as you're lifting up. Ah, dude. Ah, that counts. So I have to use this like weird like travel hub USB thing because my computer doesn't pick up my access port for some reason. I am currently trying to put on a basemap tune that I got from Torque Performance to hopefully see if it will help with my fuel problem. I think that if I get on a basemap and then also change the parts out that I have coming in and whatnot, it should make everything better. Also, I apologize for the background noise. I'm just chilling at home, just watching some TJ Hunt, just kind of having a chill day today. This is like a whole other day, but I'm probably just gonna like sketch the videos together and see what I come out with. Once I put this tune on, I have to data log it, get him a couple pulls, couple highway drives, and then like a little bit of just like city driving so he can make sure everything feels good. But let me actually pull up the email so you guys can see. The goal for this was 18 psi. And he needs a couple third gear pulls, or just a third gear pull, he said, from 25 to 65 at wide open throttle, which I am a little sketched to do because I haven't done a wide open throttle pull in a long time because of the evap problem, so I'm hoping it'll be okay. Then he also wanted just a 10 to 15 minute data log of just like cruising and idling, just driving through the city. Any like problems or spikes that he sees or that I feel, he'll give me the revision, and as I put the parts on, we'll also do revisions. So we're finally starting to get everything situated and get the car back to its glory and like where it should be. Alright, got that plugged in, and just like that, we are running, and you can see that I've got all of my OTS stage tunes on there. I've got one from a previous tuner that I didn't get the chance to put on because I unfortunately didn't use those parts. I'm honestly not 100% sure if I should do this update because I feel like that will probably, I don't know, ever since Cop has done their whole Greenleaf thing, I've just been kind of like sketched out. Alright, so this is the tune right here. Nothing crazy going on, just stage 2 plus with the boost controller, the parent intake. It's pretty much just a base map to get the car running as optimally as it can as of right now, and then we will start to put everything else together after this. I'm doing the update. I'm doing it. I'm only a little sketched out just because, like I said, I have an actual fuel leak, which is like a physical like maintenance issue I need to fix. But I wanted to get this tune on because I'm sick of being on the OTS, and I really genuinely think that putting this base map on will help. But I'm still nervous, so if it blows up, I will cry. But fingers crossed that it doesn't. Quick tutorial for those of you guys who don't know how to put a tune from the access port onto your car. It's really simple. I mean, as simple as it can be. Go down to tune. We're going to change ECU map, and then it's going to give us the option to pick which one it is that we're looking for. I believe we're going to do reflash. Yep. Anytime you're changing out your tune, you're going to want to press reflash, not real time. I think real time, when you shut your car off, like even if you're just going to get like gas or something, it defaults to the previous tune. I'm not sure, but I'll look it up for you guys. Okay, so we are looking for this one right here to be custom, stage 2 with the parent. Click on that, and then it's gonna have me do a bunch of funky stuff, make sure that we go through this, yada yada yada. So they're gonna send you this white connector when you actually get the access port, and you're gonna want to plug that down here. Oh geez, it's dark, hold on. So under the dash, this little white thing right here, you're gonna want to plug the connector into. And then there is these green test connectors it's gonna want you to go ahead and put together too. So here's the bottom one right here, it just goes right there to the top one. And then you kind of just run through the steps. So like right now it wants me to turn the vehicle to the off position and then turn it to back to on immediately, and then hit OK, and then let it just go through its motion. And then after this, we're pretty much just gonna unplug everything. And then after you unplug everything, it'll have you turn the car off and then on again, I believe, and then You don't want to shut the car off for like just like a minute or two, and then you should be good to start it after that. All right, fingers crossed everything is okay. Let me turn this on. Let's do it. We are reflashed right now. That number, like I said, is supposed to always be at 16 if you have an 02 to 04, I believe. And then if you have an 05 plus, it is like a 1.00 or something like that. The goal is to keep it at that number and for the fine knock and the feedback to not really jump as much as they used to. Before I was getting like -6.3 for fine knock and like -5.9 for feedback and stuff. So hopefully everything is like will start to correct itself. So far, city driving, nothing detrimental going on. It does feel a lot better, like a lot less underpowered, and my dam is staying at 16 like where it should be. Oh, green light. I did try to hit boost yesterday and I got to about 9 pounds and it hit it properly. And then I tried to hit about 10 and it started to stutter again a little bit. But I think also, like I said, I have the gas leak and I was on low gas yesterday, so I'm gonna try it again today to get him that little highway pull, but I'm not gonna do it on the highway. I'm just gonna get like a good stretch of road and get that third gear pull for him. We got a tune, boys. We are no longer on an OTS. Let's go. So excited. I'm glad that she's not on the OTS tune anymore. I'm gonna do a quick little pull for you guys to see if like maybe she'll like do it the right way. And then after that, we'll probably go ahead and end the video. All right, let's see. Nope. Well, at least now the good thing is I have a data log, so I can send it to the tuner and he can actually see like what I'm talking about. But it's on there, so we're safer than we were before, I guess. Knock on air. Literally, it's around like 10 to 11 pounds where it starts to break up, so I don't know. Anyways, peace out, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. And I appreciate you all for watching. Well, I'm gonna end it with 2 hands while I'm driving. Later.